Seven boys and girls, welcome to your lesson, Visual Arts. And I want to take you very quickly, and I'm going to discuss some of the various questions which raised an issue during the previous exam. There was a question on divine visual arts, and the option which was very correct is what are visual arts? These are art forms which are appreciated through the sense of sight. Categories of arts are four: visual arts, applied arts, performing arts, and of course, written or literary arts. Categories of visual arts are two. Categories of visual arts are two, that is two-dimensional and three-dimensional. Remember, two-dimensional artwork, they appear to be flat. They can only be viewed from the front, from one side. But 3D can be viewed. They have length, they have width, and they have breadth. You can go around them, like sculptures, like pottery, and what have you. Why is an object described as 3D? What makes an object to be described as three-dimensional? Possible answer. 3D artworks have height, width, and length. Examples of 3D are sculpture, pottery, basketry, ornaments, fashion design. Examples of career pathways are fine arts, education, advertising, and of course, architecture, among many others. Careers related to arts include painting. You can become a painter. You can become a cake decoration, film director, art teacher like me, landscaping. You can also do design. Examples of 2D artworks. Examples of 2D artworks include drawing, painting, montage, collage, and mosaic, just to name a few. And then the other area you are likely to be tested is, what is perspective? Perspective is the way objects appear in relation to each other depending on the distance from the position of the viewer. I repeat again. Perspective is the way objects appear in relation to each other depending on the distance of the viewer. Depending on the distance of from the position of the viewer. And then number 10, perspective drawing is what kind of method? Perspective drawing is a method of showing an illusion of depth and distance on a flat surface. Remember, an illusion is something that looks real, but in actual fact, it is not real. And then the other issue which will be there in your exam is, what are the components of perspective? There are three: convergence line or projection line. The other one is horizon, and then there's vanishing point. Horizon is where your eyes cannot see beyond, where the sky appears to be touching the ground. And the vanishing point is where the convergence, or rather the projection lines, appear to meet. What are the tools and materials needed in painting? Which materials and tools are required in painting? These are brush or painting brush. You also need pellets. You also need sponge. You also need ruler. You also need paint, paper, and of course, you need paint. Then, from there, we move on to categories of colors. I want to go through three categories of colors. These are primary colors, and there are three: red, yellow, and blue. Then we have secondary colors, which are obtained by mixing the primary colors, two primary colors in equal proportional amount. Secondary colors are orange, green, and violet or purple. And tertiary colors are formed by mixing one primary color and one secondary color. Examples are like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, blue, green, yellow, green, yellow, orange, and red, violet. They are 6 in number. And then elements and properties of color. There are 3 elements or properties of color. These are hue. And what is hue? Hue, the elements or properties of color 3. That is number 1, hue, intensity, and value. So let me just say in very one sentence what each one of them is. We begin with hue. Hue is, this is the name of a color. Hue is just a name of a color. What is intensity? Intensity, this is about how bright or dull a color is. Value. Value is how dark or light a color is. And remember this, through perspective. It is very important as I wind up. Through perspective method of drawing, a two-dimensional drawing is meant to appear like a three-dimensional. And with that one, boys and girls, I want you to repeat this video not once, not once. And please also kindly, as you go through it, also remember to share to colleagues near you and far away from you. Bye.